Hello, this is Holden Weesey. This is my paper plate airplane. This is me, Holden. Hello. So we got this little paper plate airplane. Different parts on it in the back where I'm holding. You got the vertical stabilizer as well as the rudder. You got its wings. They help create lift. You got the dime to help give it some weight so it doesn't just go flailing everywhere. Here's a tape measure at 12 feet right here. There's the end of it, and here's the flight of the airplane. Crap. Let's try that again. All right, let's just see where we landed. There's 12 feet. There's the airplane. Not a straight flight, but it went the distance. Thanks.